This is our second video of revision for chapter number 2nd, fraction and decimal. In this video we are going to discuss how to compare, add, subtract, multiply and divide the fraction. I already explained methods in previous video in detail. So in this part of revision we are going to just solve the question with little bit explanation. So let's start with the first topic, comparing fraction. See, the question is given, compare 11 upon 9, no, sorry, 19 upon 8 and 11 upon 4. As I explained in my previous videos, for the comparison, we have to convert the given fraction into like fraction. What is the meaning of like fraction? Like fraction means the fraction whose denominator are equal. So the method of converting the given fraction into like fraction is just write the LCM of denominators. It means 8 and 4. So the LCM 8 and 4 is equal to 8. What we get? 8. Now write the first fraction 19 upon 8. By which number we multiply 8? So we get 8 because the LCM is 8. So number is 1. So we multiply 19 with the 1 and 8 with the 1. And as it is 11 upon 4. By which number we can multiply 4 to get 8? Number is 2. So multiply both numerator and denominator with the 2. So here we get 19 upon 8. Here we get 22 upon 8. So now we have to compare 19 upon 8 and 22 upon 8. Hide the denominator. Now 22 is greater and 19 is smaller, so we know that this number is bigger. 22 upon 8 represent 11 upon 4, so we can say that 11 upon 4 is greater than 19 upon 8. Now second type of question relating to comparison is arrange the following fraction into ascending or descending order. So let's take an example. Arrange in ascending order. The fraction is given 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. As I told you previously, for comparison, we need a common denominator or all fractions should be a like fraction. So just find out the LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is equal to 12. You can find LCM with the whole method. You get LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is equal to 12 because we have to find out the LCM of given denominators. Now write first fraction 2 upon 3. Now our LCM is 12. So by which number we can multiply 3 to get 12? Number is 4. So we multiply 2 upon 3 with 4 upon 4. So we get 8 upon 12. Now our second fraction, third fraction. Now When we say this, we get 8 upon 12, 9 upon 12 and 10 upon 12. Now we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So just hide the denominators, ignore the denominators, see numerators. Here 8, 9 and 10. The smallest number is 8. So this is our first fraction. Second digit is 9. So it is our second. Third digit is 10. So it is our third. So when we arrange the given fraction to ascending order, what we write, the first number, this fraction is 2 upon 3. It is the smallest one. The second is 3 upon 4 and the fourth is 5 upon 6. In such way, you can arrange the fraction into ascending or descending order. If the question is given as that arrange the in descending order, so we arrange them in descending order. First we write 5 upon 6, then 3 upon 4, then 2 upon 3. In such way, you can solve the question relating to ascending or descending order. Now, let's start with addition and subtraction of the fraction. In this part, we have to add the both fraction. So, for addition, first we have to convert the given fraction into like fraction. To convert the fraction to like fraction, first we have to find out the LCM. So we find out the LCM of denominators means 3 and 5, we get 50. Now write 2 upon 3. We required denominator 15 and the denominator in the fraction is 3. So by which number we multiply 3, so we get 15. The number is 5. So we multiply both numerator and denominator with 5 upon 5. Sign of agitation is it is 4 upon 5 multiplied with 3 upon 3. We get 10 upon 15 plus 12 upon 15. Now when we get same denominator, write it once 15, add the numerators 10 plus 12. So what we get 22 upon 50. This is our answer. One sum of subtraction, 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. For subtraction also we have to use the same method. Just find the LCM of denominators. 6. Now write 4 upon 3 multiply with, we need 6, we have 3 as a denominator, so we multiply 3 with the 2, so we multiply both numbers, 2 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 multiply with 3 upon 3. 8 upon 6 minus 3 upon 6. Common denominator 8 minus 3. So what we get, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 6. This is our answer. In such way, we can add and subtract the fractions given. Our next operation, multiplication of fraction. As I explained in the previous videos, the multiplication of fraction is very easy. We just have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So what we get, 7 2s are 14, 9 4s are 36. Our answer is 14 upon 36. If it is given to convert in this simplest form, you just cut short both numbers, so we get 7 upon 80. One more example, multiply 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 2. First see the question, if it is possible to cut short numerators with the denominator, just cut it. 2 cut by 2, 3 cut by 3. Now what we get? 1 left, 1 left, 1 left, 1 left. Now multiply numerators with the numerators. 1 ones are 1, ones are 1, 1 fours are 4, 4 ones are 4. Our answer is 1 upon 4. In such way, we have to do multiplication of the fraction. In our previous videos, we discussed detailed how to divide the fractions. So in this video, we are just going to revise the method. Now see, as I explained that direct division of fraction is not possible. It means if I divide 9 upon 8, 7 upon 8 divided by 9 upon 11, direct it is not possible. So the first question is, write the first fraction as it is, change the sign of divide into multiply, and write the reciprocal of 9 upon 11, so we get 11 upon 9. Now multiply numerator with the numerator, we get 77, 8 nines are 72. In such way, we have to divide the given fraction. One more sum, 4 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 2. The first method is same, write 4 upon 7, sign of multiply, reciprocal of 3 upon 2 become 2 upon 3, multiply 4 2s are 8, 7 3s are 21. In such way, we can divide the fractions.